Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're doing well, and I hope that you are listening to these translation sessions regularly. And I also hope, as ever, that you are understanding the Quranic verses more and you're enjoying reading it. Honestly, it is, I hope you agree with me, it's a thoroughly enjoyable process, experience, if you begin to understand what the Almighty is saying. Not that you don't have questions. You do have questions, and I've always been encouraging you to ask me questions through my WhatsApp number. You can write down, or you can send voice note. You what? You don't have my number? How is that possible? It's 0092 Pakistan code 335 4944 936. If you are in Pakistan, it's 0335 4944 936. Today we will do only one verse. It's a pretty long verse, so don't be too pleased about it. It's verse 26 of Surah Al Baqarah. I'll read it in Arabic first. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الله لا يستحيي أن يضرب مثلا ما بعوضة فما فوقها فأما الذين آمنوا فيعلمون أنه الحق من ربهم وأما الذين كفروا فيقولون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا وما يضل به إلا الفاسقين. صدق الله العظيم. So now we move on to making an attempt to translate this verse word by word. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek refuge in Allah from Satan, the rejected one, from the evil whispers of Satan, the rejected one. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We begin in the name of Allah, whose mercy is profound, whose kindness is forever. Inna Allah, indeed Allah, the God. La yastahi. La is not. La yastahi is not hesitant, is not shy. An yadriba, that he should present, that he should offer, mathalan, an example, ma ba'udatan, of a mosquito, ma, which, that mosquito is that which is a mosquito, fama, or what, fawqaha, what is even lesser, even smaller. Fawqa normally is higher, but obviously what is ordinary, the higher of it is even more ordinary. So what is even less? Fa amma, fa, so, amma, as for. Allazina, well, you already know. As for those people, amanu, who believe. Fayalamuna, I'm sure you'll translate it. Fayalamuna, so they know. Annahu, that it. That is this example. Who is it? That example. Annahul haq, that it is the truth. It is correct. It is the truth. Mir Rabbihim, from their Lord. That is, this example is the truth from Lord. It's from God. Va amma, and as for those, allazina, those who kafaru, have disbelieved, have rejected the truth knowingly. فَيَقُولُونَ, So they say, يقولون, they say, Maza, what is it? Arada, intended. Allahu, Allah, God. Maza arada Allahu. What is it that God has intended? Bihaza mathala. By this, bihaza, with this, by this, mathala, example. What is it that God has intended by giving this example? Yudillu, He misguides. He, God. Yudillu, He misguides. Bihi, with it, through it. That is, through this example and through this book. Kathiran, many people. Vayahdi, and He guides. Bihi, through it, through His message, through these examples. Kathira, many. Wama yudillu, and He does not misguide. Bihi, through it. Illa, except those al-fasiqeen who cross limits. Those who go beyond decent, acceptable, moral limits. Right? Now, our attempt number 2. Let's translate it again. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Inna Allah, indeed Allah the God, la yastahi, does not hesitate, is not shy, an yadriba, that He should give mathalan, an example, ma ba'udatan, of a mosquito, fama, or even fawqaha, less than it, less than that. That is less than the mosquito, less than a mosquito. Fa so, amma, as for allazina, those people who amanu, believe, fayalamun, so they know, annahul haq, that it is the truth, mir rabbihim, from their Lord. Wa amma, and as for allazina, those people who kafaru, have rejected the truth knowingly, fayaqulun, so they say, maza, what is it? Aradallahu, that God has intended, bihaza, with this, mathala, example. Yudillu, he misguides, misleads, bihi, through it, kathiran, many. Vayahdi, and He guides. Yahdi, hidayat. Yudillu, dhalalat. Dhalleen. So, vayahdi, and He guides, bihi, through it, kathiran, many. Wama yudillu, and He does not misguide, bihi, through it, illa, except al-fasiqeen, those who have gone astray, those who go beyond limits of moral decency. Okay, let me now recite it recite the text in the hope that you will understand it. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الله لا يستحيي أن يضرب مثلا ما بعوضة فما فوقها فأما الذين آمنوا فيعلمون أنه الحق من ربهم وأما الذين كفروا فيقولون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا وما يضل به إلا الفاسقين. صدق الله العظيم. So you will try to read it properly, better than me, because you are following some good qari you've chosen for yourself as your favorite. Recite it the way he recites and understand the meanings of it. And one thing more, try if possible to memorize these verses and read them in your prayers. My goodness, you know what? If you read the Quran in your prayers and you know the meanings of it, you will be out of this world to some other planet, to the paradise. So, I am doing it because I know that it's brilliant, it's enjoyable, and I hope that you're also sharing the same feelings. Do let me know, whatever you have in mind, questions, your feelings, your responses, and we'll meet again tomorrow. And I really want that you should participate, you should get involved and listen to it every day. Until tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.